how my lead and lag pressure switches work. And these pressure switches are like these guys.
The following video is a part of the Visionary package. In case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like compressor overhauling, main air compressor theory, air conditioning system, refrigeration system, etc., find the link of the Visionary package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
This is the engine room is unmanned. Unmanned means कि भैया even if night time this compressor should work in auto. They should start in auto, they should stop in auto. So how does that work? So what we have done is with this same line coming from the air bottles over here, there are two pressure switches fitted over here. ठीक है? And these pressure switches are set at different values. One is a lead pressure switch and one is a lag pressure switch. अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है guys? See, lead and lag you have to understand. Lead and lag means कि भैया suppose करो now suppose number one bottle air is in use and pressure is right now 25 bar. Okay? So what happens is now suppose my main engine starts, there is a lot of air going and this pressure drops to 22 bar. So say this pressure switch is lead one is set at 22 bar. So what it says is, array pressure has reached 22 bar from here. That means it says, array lead pressure switch, it has reached 22 bars. So this pressure switch is going to give a signal to the selector switch over here. Okay, whichever is on lead, say number one there are two selector switches. Selector switches are number one or number two. Number one means number one compressor lead, number two lag. Okay, number one means, and number two means number one lag, number two lead. Okay, so suppose it is on number one. That means number one compressor is at lead state and number two is at lag. So now lead wala says at 22 bar pressure is pressure is right at 22 bar and it is set at 22. So it will give compressor, it will give signal to the control panel number one over here. Why start the number one compressor? Because it is on lead and I have reached already 22 bar. So automatically this compressor starts and sends the air to this air bottle over here and air bottle pressure starts rising. But during maneuvering guys, what happens is sometimes we give sudden frequent kicks to the air bottle, ahead to the main engine, ahead, stop, astern. So sometimes what happens is even if my number one compressor start and the pressure starts rising, it becomes from 22 to 23 and again the bridge gives another one astern kick. So more amount of air goes. Now my suddenly pressure drops to say 19 bars and my number one compressor is running and still the pressure is dropping. Now say this lag pressure switch is set at 19 bars. So now this pressure switch changes. Array pressure is 19 bars. What the hell? That means lag pressure switch will also get a signal from over here. So this selector switch will give a signal to the number two compressor over here. Array bhaiya, number one compressor is already running, lead one is already running, but still the pressure is reducing. I need you. So it starts the number two compressor as well. So now both the compressors are running and now this is also sending the air and now my pressure starts increasing more frequently, in a vigorous way. So now this 19 bar starts increasing 20 bar, 21 bar, 22 bar. So both these compressors are running like that. So guys, this is how my lead and lag pressure switches work. And these pressure switches are like these guys. Make or break type. Always pressure switch like make or break. So what happens is, ये pressure switch ऐसे fitted है, suppose कर लो. So when the okay, it is not fitted like this. Rather, I would make it like this, and it's a spring over here. So when the pressure drops, so ये spring के साथ लगा हुआ है, it comes down, टक नीचे बन जाता है. And when the pressure rises, say when it comes to 25 bar, it opens the circuit. यहाँ से pressure बढ़ता है, it opens circuit. So signal does not go to the selector switch and compressor stops, right? And when the pressure reaches 22 bar, so this pressure reduces over here and this comes in contact like this. It becomes like this and it becomes a make contact and then it gives a signal over there. Copied guys? Now what happens is, suppose now my pressure reaches 25 bar. Okay. Now my pressure switch, this one senses कि भैया pressure 25 bar आ गया and this also senses 25 bar. Now my lag says when it will come to 25 bar, I will stop my compressor. 25 bar आ गया. So it gives a signal to number 2 compressor, bhaiya, you stop. So when 25 bar comes, number 2 compressor stops. But still my number 1 is running. So now my air bottle after some time reaches 26 bars. So now when it reaches 26 bar, this pressure switch will give signal, hey bhaiya 26 bar aa gaya. Now you stop number 1 compressor over here. So basically, cutting in of compressor, starting of compressor, stopping of compressor is dependent upon air bottle pressure, which is set by these pressure switches over here, which is like an on off switch, and they need to work very proper. And adjusting of lead lag, ki bhaiya see, now why is this selector switch given? Say number 1 is in lead and number 2 is in lag. So in normal circumstances, always number 1 will be running all the time and number 2 will be resting. It is only during maneuvering when there are too many frequent kicks that number 2 will be running, right? But all the time number 1 will be running. But every month we have to change over. Ki bhaiya ek mahine you have run number 1 compressor full month. Now maybe you should run number 2 compressor for the next month. So what you do is, after 1 month you change this selector switch to this one, number 2. So now what happens is, now number 2 is going to lead and number 1 is going to lag. So most of the time, first number 2 compressor is going to start. Even if still the pressure drops, then in that case this is going to give the signal to the lag pressure switch over here. Copy it, guys? I hope you have understood. So this is how my lead and lag pressure switches work. And guys, it is approximately the same on all the ships. Lagbhag.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, click on the playlist given on the screen. To watch more such videos, you can find the link of the Visionary package in the description box below. Thank you.